Hello, good morning everyone. How are you? Radhe Radhe. Jai Shri Krishna. Har Har Mahadev. I am Sanjay Moda from your favorite YouTube channel. Look at the view of morning sun rising. How nice. Wonderful. Every day I try to explore new images, new place, new view of morning. Trying. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is the Maruti Nagar, Shivaji Nagar, and here is the cotton mill. I am standing at cotton mill. Look at the view of sun rising. It's mind blowing. Every day I try to give you something new, explore new place. Look at the board of cotton mill, Ganga cotton mill. Hope you will like my video at morning time. If you want to know more this place and tell me how would you like to my video and what you want to see more of this place. This is the temple. It's morning time and it's fog here. Look at the road. Moisturizer on road. Morning is good for health. So every day I try to explore your health for view this vlog. Every day greenery is lots of here. So I like also green valley. Background noises are coming in the morning time. This is the old people going for job. In my back I want to see you a green valley. Look at the view. Now I want to try to see you a green farmhouse on my backside. Look at this. So nice in the morning time. Everywhere is green, green and green. So beautiful area, Maruti Nagar. Look at sunshine behind the tree. Birds are noising. Sky is blue. This is the India. Small puppy are also joking with me. Look at the back side. I want to see you. Please come here. Look. Look at the whole puppy are coming here. Look. He is joking with his mother, playing with his mother. Oh wow, wow, wow. Jumping and jumping. Hey, look, look. Wow. It's a nice views. Look. Wow. Wow. He is shaking my hand. He likes to know people with his tongue. Okay? Look. Ah, wow. He want to bite me. Ah. Look. Wow. Unconditional love. Stop. Look. Wow. Okay, guys. Here I complete my morning vlog. Now I am going to take a bath and going for job. So every day I will try to give you some nice thing of nature, and I once again request you, please save nature, plant a new tree and save our earth. Okay, goodbye. In the last moment I will try to see you a mind-blowing sun behind me. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. And please, once again I requesting you, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and must watch every video. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day. Har Har Mahadev. Har Har Mahadev.